Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and also the voice behind the popular kitchen gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm showing you how to cook Ninja Foodi French fries. Homemade fries cooked in the Ninja Foodi are fantastic. Though note, they do take a little bit longer compared to a traditional air fryer basket, but they are still delicious and you will love them. And we also have 450 plus more easy air fry recipes over at RecipeThis.com, as well as a fantastic air fryer mini course which is free, and our free air fryer newsletter. I recommend you check it out, and if you have any questions or comments you can reach out to us or just comment on this video. So these are our Ninja Foodi French fries. It was never intentional, but I did soak these overnight. You know, a lot of people do this to get rid of the starch. I did it because I had a lot to do today and it was a chance to make something ahead and get myself prepared. So once you've chopped up your fries, you want to add in some extra virgin olive oil. You don't need much. And then of course, add some seasoning. We're going with some salt. Plenty of sea salt is fantastic. A little bit of black pepper. And of course my favourite when I'm making fries is to add in some herbs. So this is just mixed herbs. You can of course swap this for Italian seasoning if you prefer. And then just give it a good mix with your hands. You want to make sure that all your fries are well coated before you're going to load them into your Ninja. So now you've done that, they're ready to go into the Ninja air fryer lid. This is the basket that we recommend that you use, and just load them in like that, and then they are ready to go in. So load your air fryer basket into your Ninja Foodi, and then double check to make sure it's not too full and that the fries are nicely spread out, and then place your lid down. So turn on your Ninja Foodi, and then you are looking for the air crisp button. It will now set the temperature at this side. You want to go down to 160 Celsius, 320 Fahrenheit, and put the time up to 25 minutes. Then press start and you're going. Right, so we've done our 25 minutes and now we're just giving the fries kind of a shake, but obviously you can't shake the Ninja Foodi the same way that you do with the Philips air fryers. So we're just mixing them about a bit, seeing how they're doing. We've got a few nice crispy ones on top, but some of the other ones haven't quite got the same level of colour. But they're looking good, so we're now going to put them on for an extra 5 minutes at 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit. And we've beat. Wow! Don't these fries look amazing? Can't wait to tuck into these. Obviously, if you would like them a bit more crispy, you can just spray them with extra virgin olive oil and give them 2 or 3 more minutes with the lid back down. But I should mention that when you're cooking French fries in the Ninja Foodi compared to the Philips air fryer, the cook time is a little bit longer. For example, I would normally cook my fries in the Philips air fryer for a total of 20 minutes, whereas they're taking 30 minutes for a similar size portion in the Ninja Foodi. So these are the homemade French fries that we made in our Ninja Foodi. So let's dig in, shall we? These are really, really good. I recommend you give it a go and try making your own homemade fries in the Ninja Foodi. Like I said, it does take a little bit longer, but the Ninja Foodi is so much easier and quicker to clean than the Philips air fryer. You just wipe and clean the main cooking pot, and you're sorted and you're ready for next time. So if you do have a Ninja Foodi, don't forget to head over to recipethis.com, as we do have a Ninja Foodi category just dedicated to our favourite Ninja Foodi recipes that us milliners have cooked so far. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.